Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Kawasaki Z1000. This is the badass standard style naked superbike from Kawasaki, inline 4-cylinder 1000 cc's of power, fuel injection, liquid cooled. This one looks really beautiful in the metallic orange and black. Awesome sounding M4 exhaust. Only about 12,000 miles on this gorgeous Z1000. Make your superbike, sport bike dreams come true for just $59.99. Come by, check it out. We got financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.